Good morning, people. Thought I would sort of remake one of my previous videos, and that is the video where I showed you how you can, in Orca Slicer or Bambu Studio, you can use a negative part to be able to make an intersection. So in my previous video I said you can use something like Fusion 360 and you can make a cube object like this, and then you could import that object into Orca Slicer as a negative part. Let's see, what is it? Like this, and then you can see you get like a cross section that it will not show when you slice, and in effect you will then get the ability to see the intersection of the layers. Let's see, I need to change that a little bit. See, 6 6. So just to show it better. And now you can see you have like an intersection of the object here. Now that was made from my beginner level perspective, and I was kind of proud of figuring that out, but I found out how to do this directly in the slicer, and it's actually easier, and I do recommend a new way. So let's go back from that. I'm gonna delete the analyze block there. There. So remove that. What you can do is you just go and you mark the object you want to analyze, and then you right click and select add negative part, and use any of the objects you have here. Like in my case, I want to just make a cube, and it will give you a message here saying something like oh, you need to now I clicked away with do not show this message again, but you get a message saying something like you need to be in object view to edit the parameters of the negative part, etc. But it's kind of easy. You just go here and you mark the object, and then you just go, for instance, to scale, and then you can scale the object and you can move it. And if you see here, you can see where it would intersect on the object, like here. I want to put it there, and I want to, let's say I want to see both sides but sort of intersected, and you can make it small. And let's say I want to see the information here as well as here, so I can make it like this, and then you can just click on in Bambu Studio you don't have this, I think. I'm using Orca Slicer. It's really nice because you can just swap to the view you have. So I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay. And then you can also adjust the height, but the height is fine for this one. And when I now slice it, it will only slice and show the parts that are actually visible. And then you can basically see inside the model here, like you could when you did the other way that I showed when importing a model. And the good thing with this is also that if you don't want to use a cube, but let's say you want to view this in like a spherical view, and I go back to the prepare view and I click the object, and I have removed the square. Now add a negative part and I select sphere instead. Then I can place that sphere inside there. I can scale it a little bit in the width and in the height, and then I can press OK. And then when I slice it now, I will have a three-dimensional section analysis, which you cannot do in Fusion 360. And that's kind of cool, because then you can see, okay, is this perfectly aligned for all the parts I want to align, etc. And it's really cool to see that you can use the negative parts to sort of analyze the model that you're printing. Just remember to remove that part before you slice the video finally for print. So I hope that is a little bit easier to understand than my previous video. This was kind of a short video for once, and I hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and come back for more next time. See you.